YouTube has evolved into one of the most powerful platforms for content creation and monetization. With over 2 billion logged in monthly users, the potential to go viral and earn money on YouTube is immense. However, success on YouTube, especially for small channels, requires a strategic approach that leverages the platform's algorithms, AI tools, and content trends. This script will cover how to make your YouTube videos go viral, start monetizing, and how small channels can compete effectively in 2024. 1. Understanding the YouTube algorithm in 2024. The basics of YouTube's algorithm. YouTube's algorithm is designed to keep users on the platform as long as possible by recommending content that they are likely to engage with. The algorithm analyzes several factors, including watch time, the total time users spend watching your video. Longer watch times generally lead to better rankings. Click-through rate, CTR, the percentage of people who click on your video after seeing the thumbnail. Engagement, likes, comments, shares, and other forms of interaction. Relevance, how closely your content matches the user's search query or interests. B. How the algorithm works in 2024. In 2024, YouTube's algorithm has become more sophisticated, incorporating AI and machine learning to predict user behavior better. The algorithm now emphasizes personalized recommendations. Based on user history, the algorithm suggests videos that are likely to be of interest. Content quality. High-quality content, verified through viewer retention rates and engagement, is prioritized. Diverse content. The algorithm promotes content from various genres, ensuring that niche topics can also surface prominently. See how AI influences the algorithm. AI plays a crucial role in YouTube's algorithm, particularly in content moderation. AI tools automatically flag inappropriate content, ensuring a safer platform. Recommendation systems. AI analyzes vast amounts of data to recommend videos that keep users engaged. Thumbnail selection. YouTube now tests multiple thumbnails using AI to determine which one generates the highest CTR. 2. How to create viral content. Identify trending topics to make your video go viral. It's crucial to tap into trending topics. Use tools like Google Trends, Vidicue, and TubeBuddy to identify popular subjects that align with your niche. B. Crafting the perfect title and thumbnail. Your title and thumbnail are the first things viewers notice. Ensure that title, it's compelling, keyword-rich, and gives a clear idea of what the video is about. Thumbnail, use bright colors, bold text, and a clear image to catch the viewer's attention. A/B testing with tools like YouTube's thumbnail testing feature can help optimize this further. See content quality and structure. The content itself must be engaging from the start. Here's how. Hook the audience. The first 15 seconds are crucial. Use a strong hook to grab attention. Keep it concise. Long videos work if they're engaging throughout. Otherwise, keep it short and to the point. High production value. While authenticity is trending, ensure your video is well lit, the audio is clear, and the editing is clean. Call to action, CTA, encourage viewer to like, comment, and subscribe. D. Leveraging YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts, the platform's answer to TikTok, is a powerful tool for going viral. Short, engaging clips can quickly amass views and subscribers. Here's how to use them effectively. Bite-sized content. Create short videos that are entertaining, educational, or thought-provoking. Consistency. Regularly posting shorts can help you reach a broader audience. Use of hashtags. Incorporate trending hashtags to increase discoverability. 3. Monetizing your YouTube channel. Meeting YouTube's monetization requirements. To start earning money on YouTube, your channel needs to meet the following criteria: 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months, adherence to YouTube's community guidelines. Once you meet these requirements, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. B. Revenue streams on YouTube. YouTube offers multiple ways to monetize your content. Ad revenue, earn money from ads displayed on your videos. Channel memberships, offer exclusive content to subscribers for a monthly fee. Super chats and super stickers. During live streams, viewer can pay to have their messages highlighted. Merchandise shelf, sell branded merchandise directly through your channel. See, using affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be a significant income source. Promote products or services in your videos and earn a commission for every sale made through your affiliate links. D. Sponsorship deals. Brands are always looking to collaborate with content creators. Even small channels can secure sponsorships if they have a loyal and engaged audience. Focus on creating high-quality content that aligns with potential sponsors' interests. 4. Strategies for small channels. A. Niching down. While it might seem counterintuitive, focusing on a specific niche can help small channels stand out. A dedicated audience for niche content is often more engaged and loyal, which can lead to higher watch times and more interaction. B. Engaging with your community. Building a strong community is vital. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and make viewers feel like they are part of your channel's journey. This engagement can lead to higher retention rates and more loyal subscribers. C. Collaborations with other creators. Collaborating with other YouTubers can expose your channel to a broader audience. Look for creators with similar or complementary content and propose mutually beneficial collaborations. D. Optimize your SEO properly. Optimizing your video's title, description, and tags is crucial for visibility. Use tools like TubeBuddy or Vidicue to find the best keywords and ensure your content is easily discoverable. 5. How AI can help your channel grow. AI tools for content creation. AI can streamline content creation, from generating video ideas to editing. Tools like Descript can automate transcription and editing processes, while Jasper AI can help generate compelling scripts or video ideas. AI in video editing. AI-powered editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro Sensei AI can automate many aspects of video editing, such as cutting, color grading, and even creating subtitles. This not only saves time but also ensures a high level of professionalism in your content. AI for audience analysis. AI tools can analyze your audience's behavior, providing insights into what content resonates best. Platforms like YouTube Analytics offer detailed reports, but third-party tools can give even deeper insights, helping you tailor your content strategy more effectively. D. Automating thumbnails and titles with AI. Tools like Canva and Adobe Spark now offer AI-driven features to create optimized thumbnails and titles, ensuring your content catches the viewer's eye and improves CTR. 6. List of actionable steps to go viral and start earning. Research trending topics. Use tools like Google Trends and Vidicue. Create high-quality content. Invest in good equipment and software. Optimize titles, thumbnails, and descriptions. Use SEO tools to find the best keywords. Leverage YouTube Shorts. Post regularly and use trending hashtags. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and build a community. Collaborate with other creators. Partner with creators in your niche. Meet monetization requirements. Work towards 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Use AI tools. Automate aspects of content creation and audience analysis. Explore multiple revenue streams: ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and merchandise. Conclusion: success on YouTube in 2024 is achievable, even for small channels. By understanding the algorithm, creating high-quality and engaging content, leveraging AI tools, and strategically monetizing your channel, you can grow your audience, go viral, and start earning money. The key is consistency, creativity, and a willingness to adapt to the ever-changing landscape of YouTube.